Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I hope that you will have fun with the simple setting that I made here for you, with some vintage pieces and some are just ideas that came to my mind, like for example the TV. This is a living room slash kitchen. Now, back to the TV. That is my GoPro camera. And even if I switch it and I place it like this, it still looks like a TV right there. But I think I'd rather have it the other way, like this. Anyway, so that is the TV across from this fabric love seat that I got at a yard sale. Then, right next to it is a lipstick cap, a transparent lipstick cap with a little artificial branch from one of my artificial plants. The flooring is decorative paper, still in its plastic because it was a sheet of decorative paper that I bought at Hobby Lobby, and it's still in the plastic sheet. Then I have this little cat here that I had in one of my other Christmas houses. That's why you see the little red bowl. Then this is another piece of my collection, again with little artificial branches to enhance this living room. Then here as a coffee table, the base of the coffee table is a napkin ring. That's all that is. So this here is the cap of a little sewing box where you put the thread and the needles and all that. So I placed it on here, and then I placed a little plant right on top. And look at how it came out. Very simple, very simple. Then I have another vase there with another branch. And again, I go to flea markets, yard sales, and thrift shops, and that's where I get all those little cute, unique things. Then this is a perfume bottle, also with another artificial branch. And next to it is part of a salt and pepper shaker. So I think I only had this piece, I don't remember, but that's the one I had handy, so I placed it in there. And then this wall that you see here is just cardboard. Cardboard decorative, decorated with nice little things on it, leaves and stuff like that. Then moving on to the kitchen. This little set here, I have a green set and I have this black set. But look at how beautiful. I got this at a flea market. I think I paid about $7 for it. There's a chair missing too. And then the plant in the middle is from my little flower shop. Then over here, I just got this piece yesterday. Look at how beautiful that is. It's ceramic. And my aunt, who lives in Florida, she sent it to me by mail. And look at how beautiful. It has like the bottom cabinets with things in it, the pots. Beautiful piece. That's what inspired me to make this setting here. Then I have the wooden refrigerator from my miniature collection, my dollhouse collection, and another plant on top. The walls here are just a file folder, a striped file folder that goes very well with that plant and this piece here. Then over here I have an old wooden sink that's missing one of the faucets. And next to it is one of those cabinets in wood. I have a few of those. So I placed it in here to complete the kitchen. The flooring in the kitchen is marble looking paper. And I'll show you what I mean. I have paper here that looks like marble. And that's all that is. It's kind of like a certificate paper. I got it at Staples a while back. So this is the kitchen with the beautiful file folder as the wall. And it connects to the living room with the little handmade and vintage items. And now that you've seen everything, I am going to back up so that you can see how I displayed this. So underneath is just one of those units where I have, cardboard paper and things like that. So on top, I made this little section, and you can't tell when I zoom into it like this, you can't tell where it's situated. But now you know. Alrighty, well, I think that this will be it for now. I'll be back with more. Oh, and I forgot this little lipstick cap. That was from one of my mother's lipsticks. Okay. Well, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.